In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export Google Sheets to Excel using two different methods that work whether you're inside a spreadsheet or working directly from your Google Drive. Google Sheets is an incredibly powerful tool for collaboration and real-time editing, but sometimes you need the formatting muscle or offline compatibility that only Microsoft Excel can offer. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's begin with the first method, which is probably the one you'll use most often, exporting from inside the Google Sheet itself. This approach is ideal when you already have the specific spreadsheet open in your browser and you just want to convert it on the spot. Start by opening your target file in Google Sheets. It doesn't matter if you're working on a simple budget tracker, a complex project timeline, or a collaborative dataset shared with your team. This method works exactly the same way for any spreadsheet you have access to. Once your file is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This is the same menu you'd use for creating a new sheet, making a copy, or seeing version history, so you're probably already familiar with it. From the drop-down options that appear, hover your cursor over the Download section. You'll notice there are several choices here. You can download as PDF, CSV, or even as an open document format. But for our purposes, you want to select the option that says Microsoft Excel.cef. That little X at the end stands for the modern Excel file format, which supports all the features like formulas, charts, and conditional formatting that you might have built into your original sheet. When you click that option, your browser will automatically begin downloading the file. Depending on your settings, you might see a pop-up asking you where to save it, or it may simply land in your default downloads folder. I always recommend taking that extra moment to choose a specific location on your computer, like a dedicated spreadsheet folder, so you don't have to hunt for it later. And here's a pro tip. Before you export, double check that your Google Sheet is fully loaded, especially if it contains large images, complex pivot tables, or data from connected add-ons. Sometimes a partially loaded sheet can result in a corrupted export, so give it a few extra seconds if you've just opened it. Now let me show you the second method, which is a real time saver when you need to export files without opening them individually. This is perfect for those moments when you're cleaning up your Google Drive and you want to batch download several spreadsheets at once, or if you just need a quick Excel copy without the extra click-through. Start by going to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser, or by clicking the grid icon in the top right of any Google service and selecting Drive. Find the Google Sheet you want to export. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of documents. Once you have your cursor over the file icon, right-click it. A context menu will appear with a range of actions, including sharing options, move to trash, and, right there near the top, a simple download option. Click that and your browser will start downloading the file as an Excel document. This method bypasses the need to open the sheet entirely, which is incredibly handy when you're dealing with dozens of files and you just want to move them over to Excel quickly. Now there's one important thing to know if you decide to export multiple files at once. Let's say you hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and select several Google Sheets, then right-click and choose Download. Google Drive doesn't send you each file separately. Instead, it bundles everything into a single compressed folder called a .zip file. You'll need to extract that zip file before you can use your Excel documents. On a Mac, double-clicking the zip file will automatically unzip it into a folder. On Windows, you can right-click and select Extract All, or simply double-click and drag the files out. This is a small extra step, but it's extremely useful for keeping all your exports organized, especially if you're migrating a whole project from Sheets to Excel. And here are a few final expert tips to keep in mind. When you export a Google Sheet to Excel, be aware that some advanced Google-specific functions, like Google Finance or Quivi, may not convert perfectly. If you rely heavily on those, plan to do a quick review of your formulas after the export. Also, if your spreadsheet contains any embedded scripts or macros written in Google Apps Script, those won't transfer over to Excel's VBA at all, so you'll need to rebuild that functionality manually. Finally, always keep your original Google Sheet intact until you've verified that the Excel version looks and works exactly as you need. You've now completed the task. You know how to export Google Sheets to Excel using both the direct file menu method and the quicker right-click approach from Google Drive. This skill is a huge advantage when you need to share polished reports with clients who prefer Excel, or when you want to take your data offline without losing any formatting. As a next step, try experimenting with exporting a copy of a sheet you use regularly and compare the two versions side by side to see what carries over smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider saving it to a playlist or bookmarking it for later, because these two methods will come in handy again and again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.